Yeah, what they said.
Okay.
Okay.
So like the video that you're gonna see is like our normal activity.
Exactly.
Only not quite so much. This is toned down a lot.
Just a little.
A lot.
Like that big. Like as big as my eye. Actually, it's my glasses, but.
You're a nerd.
I'm so mad at you right now. Can you tell?
Yeah, you love me. Okay, now you're gonna watch the rest of the video, and you can't really see us at all.
Nope, you can't.
You're tired.
Did you see that? I can do that. Did you see? Can you? That's right, you can't.
Okay, now watch the video, watch the rest of it, and laugh a lot.
Watch it all.
Laugh.
Watch.
I command you to.
it.
Whoa, laugh.
No.
Okay, now we're gonna.
I just spaced off for a minute. Do you ever space off when you're driving?
Yeah. Wait, this or
No,
driving?
driving a car. And I'll just kind of, somebody will be talking to me and be like, wait, what? Look at my awesome t-shirt.
Ready?
Saka.
You're in 11th place.
Yeah, you know what? You're in 7th.
I'm in first now. What do you do about it?
Catch ya.
Yeah, look at the map. Look at where I am. Look at where everyone else is.
Oh my god.
I just finished like 20 seconds before anyone else.
Wow. I just went from 2nd to 3rd.
Oh my gosh. Second to third.
Yes.
Wow.
I just went from 1st to 7th. Were you the one that powed me?
No, I got patted too. I almost fell.
Hey, it's the first time I've ever pressed. No, it's the 2nd.
It's like the 5th time you've passed me.
Nobody's talking to me.
Sucks to be you, doesn't it?
There's no nothing.
Oh.
On the mat.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Dude, I'm coding. Just kidding.
Who are they booing at?
Me? I can't do this Destiny.
You signed up for it, man.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Never say can't. I can't. I'm playing with my balls.
Perfect.
Aren't you having fun, Yappo?
I'm just gonna keep going with this. I got a
Gravity
rate.
is
I
not
got a rate.
who is
Rate.
good, who sucks less.
I'm gonna laugh so hard if I beat you.
Who failed?
Oh, that was me.
Breaking records and taking names.
We got a record. You're standing on it. You're standing on
No way. Now let's go out. I did amazing.
it.
Yep, I killed myself. You're not in the middle of your mat.
Yeah! I win. Wow, you dissing me?
You really just get up and just leave?
Yeah. Oh, that was not a picture. I was so excited. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. And it's on video. It's still on video. It's recording us.
Yeah,
Right now.
You're a retard.
Hi, yeah, bro.
I won!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Is that what it
I'm
thought?
so excited. I got that. This is entertaining.